Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change gender on Peacock TV. Simply open up a web browser to get started and in the URL box type in peacocktv.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this main homepage after logging into your account, simply go ahead and select one of your profile and click on this little pencil icon right beneath your name. Now, in order to edit your profile, remember that you must be 18 plus, and once you are in this page, scroll all the way down and right where it says gender, go ahead and click on the little drop down and select your gender. Once you make a change, click on the save button to save the changes for your account and you'll be able to change your gender right away. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.